Hi students, welcome to our maths class. Let us continue the problems of algebra. Look at this question. First question. Find the value of 5x square minus 3x plus 2 when x equal to 2. Okay? When x equal to 2. Find the value of 5x square minus 3x plus 2 when x equal to 2. What type of expression it is? Second degree expression, right? That is also called as quadratic expression. So we are going to find the value of this expression at x equal to 2. So when x equal to 2, take that expression 5x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to, in the place of x what should you keep here? 2. So 5 into, in the place of x what should you keep? 2. So 2 square. Since it is x square, we will get 2 square minus 3 into, in the place of x I am keeping 2 plus 2. 5 into 2 square value. 2 square. What does it mean? 2 square means 2 should be multiplied by 2 times. So 2 into 2, that is 4. Minus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. 5 4s are 20 minus 6 plus 2. 20 plus 2, how much? 22 minus 6. So answer is 16, because 16 plus 6 is 22. So answer is 16. Clear? We will see one more. Find the value of 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6 when x equal to minus 1. Okay, it is a cubic expression because highest degree is what? 3. I told you degree or order or power, anything it is same. So since degree is 3 here, it is called a cubic expression or third degree expression. So third degree expression value I should find at x equal to minus 1. So when x equal to minus 1, I will substitute 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to, in the place of x keep minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 whole cube, 4 into minus 1 whole square plus 5 into minus 1 minus 6. Is that clear? So what did I do here? I substituted the value of x equal to minus 1 in this cubic expression. Okay. So in the place of x, replace minus 1. So what do you get here? 3 into x means minus 1. So minus 1 whole cube. X square minus 1 whole square. So 5 into minus 1 minus 6. So what is the value of minus 1 whole cube? Here it is important thing. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 should be multiplied by 3 times. So this is the way we have to calculate. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. 3 times you have to multiply. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, 1 into 1 into 1 means 1 only. So this will be 3 into minus 1 minus 4 into, what is the value of minus 1 whole square? Means minus 1 into minus 1. Only 2 times we have to multiply. Minus 1 whole square is nothing but minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 ones are 1. So 1. Here plus into minus minus 5 ones are 5. Minus 6. Plus into minus minus 3. Minus 4. Minus 5. Minus 6. All the terms are negative. That means what should you do? Add and write the same symbol. 7, 12, 18. So we write minus 18. If there is same symbols, what should you do? Add them and write the same symbol. So what is the final answer here? Minus 18. Okay? Next one. Third one. Show that the value of x cube minus 8x square plus 12x minus 5 is 0 when x equal to 1. So we should prove the value of this cubic expression when x equal to 1 is 0. So I should get answer 0. Okay, what is the expression given here? X cube minus 8x square plus 12x minus 5. So in the place of x, what should you replace now? X equal to 1 I will substitute. So when x equal to 1, x cube minus 8x square plus 12x minus 5 equal to, in the place of x1, cube 1 square plus 12 into 1 minus 5. 1 cube, 1 into 1 into 1. You see, I will write a step here. 1 cube means, what does it mean? 1 should be multiplied by 3 times. So 1 into 1 into 1. So you will be getting 1 only. So 1 square means what? 1 into 1 means 1 only. So 1 minus 8 into 1, 8 plus 12 ones are 12 minus 5. 12 plus 1 how much? 13. Minus 8 minus 5. Same symbols. What should you do? Add and write same symbol. Minus 13. 30 minus 13, 0. Therefore, what is the answer? 0. So, we showed that the value of given cubic expression at x equal to 1 is 0. Okay? Next question. If x equal to 4, fourth problem, if x equal to 4, evaluate first one 3x plus 8, second one x square minus 2x, third one x square by 2. That values we should find. Listen carefully. What is given here? Given value is x equal to 4. What is the first question? 3x plus 8. So in the place of x, what should you keep? X value, what is given here? 4. So in the place of x, replace 4. 3 into 4 plus 8. 3 4s are 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8 how much? 20. Simple. So x square minus 2x. X square minus 2x. When I read, you must see, listen carefully. X square minus 2x. So in the place of x, what should you keep? 4. 4 square minus 2 into 4. In the place of x, replace 4. We are substituting x value 4 in the given values. Okay, x square minus 2x. So 4 square minus 2 into 4. What is the value of 4 square, by the way? 4 square means 4 into 4. 2 times we have to multiply, right? So 4 4s are 16 minus 2 4s are 8. 16 minus 8 we know 8. Bigger value is 16, so plus 8 we will get. So next one, x square by 2. So in the place of x put 4. 4 square by 2. 4 square value how much? 16. 4 into 4, right? 2. 2 ones are 2 8s are. We can cut it. 8. So final answer is 8. Okay? Simple problems. So you should practice carefully because very important basic problems you should get. If m equal to 6, evaluate first one 5m minus 6, second one 2m square plus 3m, third one 2m whole square. That is the question. So what is given here? M value how much? 6. So first question 5m minus 6. So what is the value of m here? 6. So in the place of m keep 6. 5 into 6 minus 6. 5 6 are 30, multiply. 5 into 6 30 minus 6. What is the value of 30 minus 6? 24. Next one 2m square plus 3m. So in the place of m what should you keep? 6. So 2 into 6 square plus 3 into 6. In the place of m keep m equal to 6. So 2 into, what is the value of 6 square? I told you 6 square means 6 should be multiplied by 2 times. 6 into 6 36 plus 3 6 are 18. 36 2s are 72 plus 18. How much? 9. Okay. Third one 2m whole square. Be careful here. How do you read that? 2m whole square. That means 2 into, what is the m value? 6 whole square. 2 6 are 12 whole square. 12 square means how much you will get? So 12 into 12. 12 12s are 144. So final answer is 144. Okay? We will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.